guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kidna. Welcome. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel is all about manifesting with journals and using manifesting tools. And again, my name is Kidna, and thank you. Welcome. And today we're gonna talk about scripting. Now, before we talk about scripting, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, all my supporters. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. And also, I've designed custom made shirts. I hope y'all like this shirt. This is the moon. If you like to have a personalized custom made shirt, I will have the link in the description where you can send your design and I will have it printed up for you and send it to you. Okay guys, thank you so much again. All right, let's get started. Now, today's video, we're gonna talk about what is scripting, how to script, or what is scripting. Now, people, I know there's a lot of videos on YouTube about scripting and what scripting is and how to do it. The first thing I want to say about scripting is that's your own personal way of doing it. Spirituality is your own path, your own personal path. You do what makes you feel good, what is right for you. All we do on YouTube, when you look for our channel, and it's guidance or how to get started, okay? Because I've watched a lot of videos on scripting and manifesting, and I've got some ideas from those YouTubers, but I don't do exactly the same thing they do. I had to practice and experiment and what works for me. That's why if you need manifesting tips or guidance or how to start, get in touch with me and I'll guide you and show you. But like I said, this is your own personal path. What you need to do is practice and experiment and see what works for you. Okay, all we can do is just tell you what works for us. You can do it too and see if it works for you, but this is a personal beautiful journey you need to take for yourself. Okay, first, scripting is all about writing a story. If you ever were into diaries when you were a teenager girls or boys, if you ever were into diaries, it's the same thing. You're writing like a story, a scene, and instead of writing what happened, you're gonna write what you want to manifest in a story, in a diary. And like I said, it's your own personal preference how you want to do the scripting. And as for me, what I do is I mix it up with what occurred throughout the day and what I want to manifest. That just what I do, and it works for me. But like I said, again, this is your own personal journal. I keep saying journal because I love manifesting with journals, guys. Okay. Again, this is your personal journey. I keep saying journey. So you do it the way, however it makes you feel. And the reason behind using manifesting tools is to bring this feeling of whatever you want to manifest. That's all it is, guys. It's the feeling. That's the most important thing about manifesting, is how you feel, how it makes you feel that you have whatever you want to manifest already. How does it make you feel, even though you don't have it? But how does it make you feel? Hold that emotion for at least 1 minute or more, and that's it, guys. The feeling, that's what's important. So whatever you want to do to manifest, use the tools to bring up that feeling. I use journals. Like I said, that's my number one tools, is writing it out, scripting it out, listening to music, dancing, speaking the words out loud, the affirmations before I go to sleep, gratitude. All of that helps, guys. So I've been doing this for like, I would say 3 to 4 years now, and I've learned so much in this journey. And if y'all guys need coaching or guidance, please don't hesitate to contact me on one-on-one coaching. And also, we do personalized custom made shirts. I've designed this myself. I like the moon, so I did it like this. I hope y'all like it, and I will have that in the description. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and I'll see y'all guys next time. Bye.